Welcome to this 3-Minute Thursday video. As the name suggests, our plan is to provide 3-minute tips each Thursday of the semester. These videos are designed to give you quick, helpful tips to improve your teaching experience. For this Thursday's 3-minute tip, we will be talking about Canvas modules. Utilizing modules provides you with a way to organize all your online content in one easy-to-find space. How you want to manage that organization is up to you. Ask yourself if it would make the most sense to organize your content by week, by unit, by topic, or by outcome. You can include all online content into modules. This would bring Canvas pages, files, discussions, assignments, and quizzes, as well as links to external tools or resources into a simple, easy-to-use linear pathway. To create a module, go to Modules within your course. There you will click on a plus sign in the upper corner with the word Modules. This opens a box where you can type in the module name and select Add Module. To add content to your module, click on the plus sign at the right side of the module bar. In the box that appears, use the drop-down menu to add the content type, assignment, page, discussion, etc., and choose the specific content if you have already created it, or you can choose New to create new content. In the screenshot example, you see an option for new assignment along with assignments that are already created, but if the drop-down was changed to another content type, you would see those options. Note that you have an option to indent, so consider how you can use indentation to enhance structure. However you decide to name and organize modules, we encourage you to offer an introductory module. You can call this what you like. Some common options are Getting Started, Read This First, Welcome, or Introduction. This module will contain general course information. As you can see in the example, you could provide a welcome, an opportunity for students to get to know you, see the overall course structure, get to know other students, and receive tips for succeeding in the class. After that introduction module, consider a consistent approach to the remaining modules. In this example, we are using a weekly structure. Students are provided an overview that will set expectations for the week, followed by some readings, videos, and resources. The line that shows Week 1 to-do list is a text header. Text headers can be used to separate content, and you will find text headers as another item of content to add in the drop-down menu. Finally, note the green check mark on the right-hand side from all content and the module itself. This means that all content is published, so it will be visible to students. That was just one example. You can be creative in your approach, but you'll want the structure to be logical for your students. Consistency is a plus, so if you have similar patterns, let that be your guide. Canvas has a drag and drop feature to allow you to change the order of your content or modules. Some instructors move the most current module to the top throughout the semester to aid students. There are ways to lock modules by date or use prerequisites or requirements. While I don't have time to show you these features today, I will include resources in the video description. Finally, one last reminder to publish. Keep in mind that a module serves as a type of umbrella with content contained within. All content and the module itself need to be published for students to see it. If a module is unpublished, none of the content will be visible to your students. We hope this Thursday's 3-minute tip has been helpful, and we encourage you to share it with others. Please contact us with comments, to schedule a consultation, or to share ideas for future videos. The best way to reach us is through our shared email account at gcid@ksu.edu. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for spending 3 minutes with us today.